Hey, Sean.
Hey.
So we decided that you can't hang out with us anymore.
Wait, what?
You're just not like us.
What do you mean?
Look, we're different, me and you. I come from a decimal family, and you come from a family of fractions. So I hope you had a good time hanging out with us today, because it was your last.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, son.
I have a problem.
What's wrong? Is everything okay?
Well, no. I was just kicked out of a group with my friends. Because they said we're different.
What do you mean?
Well, Melissa said we are from a family of fractions. And she comes from a family of decimals. So I guess she's right. We are different.
No, she's so wrong. We're all the same. They may look different on the outside, but on the inside, we all have the same meaning.
Are you sure?
Yes. Now go tell her what I just told you. And if she doesn't believe you, tell her to come over here and we'll prove it to her.
Okay, Mom. You're the best.
What are you doing here, Sean? I thought we kicked you out.
Well, my mom wanted me to tell you guys that we're all the same.
No, we're not.
No, we are. Come over to my house and I'll prove it to you. You shouldn't kick people out just because they're not like you. But the funny thing is, I'm exactly like you.
Fine, I'll come over just so I can prove to you guys how wrong you are. Meh. Decimals are the same as fractions. Prove it to me, because I don't believe you at all. 1/8. Show me how they're the same.
Sure. Okay. Put the one over here. Put the 1. It can't go into 1 any. So you have to put 0 there. Decimal point. Then you have to bring down 0. 8 minus 8 only goes into 10 ones. Put the 1 there. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down the 0. 20. 8 goes into 22 times. Put the 2 up there, above the 0. And so 16. 16. And so here. And so now 0.125 is your answer for 1/8.
I think you just got lucky. I mean, there's no way 1/8 is like the same in decimal form. It might just be a coincidence. Maybe you could do another one and prove it to me. Something like 1/4. Yeah, show me how that's the same. Go ahead.
Okay. 1/4. Put the 4 over here, then the 1. And so 4 can't go into 1 anytime, so you can just put a 0 there. Then put the decimal point. Then, since 4 can't go into 1, you just add a 0. 4 goes into 10 twice, actually. And so you put the 2 up here, and then 10 minus 8 equals 2. And so then bring down the 0, because 4 can't go into 2. And so 4 goes into 25 times. So then put the 5 there. Then 20 minus 20 equals 0. And the answer is 0.25.
Okay, maybe you're like kind of right. How about just one more? Maybe I'll believe you. 5/8 sounds good. Go ahead.
Okay. 5/8. Put the 8 outside. Then the 5. 8 can't go into 5 anyway, so you have to put 0, then put a decimal point up here. So then bring down the 0. 8 can go into 56 times, which is you put the 6 up there, and 8 times 6 equals 48. So then 50 minus 48 equals 2. And then 8 since 8 can't go into 2, bring down the 0, which is 20. And so then 8 goes into 20 2 times, which is 16. And so then you cross out the 2 here, put the 1, then put the 1 over here, put the 4, this is 0, and then since 8 can't go into 4, you add another 0, be 40, and 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 equals 40, and so then you put this 5 up there, and then your answer to 5/8 is 0.625.
Sean, I guess you were right.
See, I told you we were the same. We converted into a decimal family now. Hope we can still be friends.
Of course. Wow, the decimal looks good on you guys. I'm so proud. You guys will even still be the same. Of course we can be friends.
Alright, now let's go play some guitar. That's terrible.